The camshafts in this engine are driven by a silent-type timing chain, like the one first introduced on the Honda S2000. A hydraulically operated auto tensioner maintains proper tension on the chain. The tensioner includes a ratchet mechanism that compensates for chain wear and keeps the chain tensioned even if hydraulic pressure is lost. The tensioner shaft must be locked in the fully retracted position before the tensioner can be removed or installed on the engine. To remove the tensioner cover from the timing cover. Hold the lock down and turn the crankshaft counterclockwise to compress the auto tensioner. Rotate the lock upward and align the hole in the lock with the hole in the tensioner body. It may be necessary to rotate the crankshaft clockwise slightly to align the holes. Insert a 1.5 millimeter pin into the hole to lock the tensioner shaft in position. Remove the auto tensioner bolts and remove the tensioner from the engine. If the tensioner shaft has been extended, it must be locked in the retracted position before installation. To do so, hold the tensioner lock down and press the tensioner shaft completely into the tensioner body. Rotate the lock upward and insert the 1.5 millimeter pin to lock the shaft in the retracted position. If you find it difficult to align the holes in the lock and the tensioner body, release the shaft slightly. Generally, the holes will align when a single shaft tooth is exposed. Once the tensioner shaft is locked, install the tensioner and torque the tensioner bolts to the specification in the service manual. Remove the pin and rotate the crankshaft clockwise to allow the tensioner shaft to extend.